you are able to get the correct jnana about life, about samsara, about karma, about spirituality, about Paramatma, about anything and everything. Truthful jnana happens to you through the events that has happened in your life or around you. Like for example, that major event that happened in my life, the train accident which I had to, I went there and I looked at it for 3 continuous days despite being 14 years old, 13, 14 years old. And I saw so many dead people, so many dead bodies of children, of women, of men. There's a separate video about it I created called Timed and Death and all that. So you can watch it separately. But yeah, so that event, a lot of people became mentally sick after that event happened because they were scared of ghosts, they were scared of something else, they stopped going to that place, and it became some sort of a haunted place because of so many deaths. And some people become mentally unstable, and for years they had bad dreams about that place, and as if the train accident is happening just now. 9 or 10 compartments of the Karnataka Express came down from the bridge, and it all looked like as if they were toys. Such a devastating sight and horrible sight with death. But to me, it created serious and extreme vairagya in me. I started questioning why why people gather so much wealth, why people run after so many things in the world when everybody has to die one day. Why so much? Why create so much of hodgepodge in this sansara? Why create so much bondage here? So these were the questions. Extreme renunciation, extreme sannyasa happened to me through that event. Nobody explained me anything about that event. Nobody gave me that lecture about it. Nowhere I read that if you have to deal with a train accident, then this is the jnana you should be attaining after such an event. No. So this is Ramyak Siddhi, that through the events in life, events around you, you are able to gather correct jnana. This is just one example I gave you about from my life, that event has happened. But you see how scientists do experiments. Scientists may do an experiment once and is able to derive so many things that were unknown until yesterday, right? So it's a very scientific process that through the events you are able to attain jnana. But to 99% of the people, such horrible, horrific events in life becomes the source of more suffering. From any and every event in your life, people are either gaining more suffering, no jnana is happening. They are so busy with their suffering, so busy in their suffering, that no jnana is happening to them. No wisdom is happening to them. And their buddhi is so much full of tamas, intellect is so much full of tamas guna, that just suffering is the only thing that it can do. So any and every event can give you jnana in life. It could be as small as having a very harsh or hot talk with somebody. Still it can give jnana to you. Meeting somebody someday when you never expected, there could be a lesson in that.